In this video, I am going to show how to create a BMI weight calculator website by ChatGPT. So I have opened ChatGPT, and in the text box I have written write me HTML, CSS and JavaScript code for BMI weight calculator in a single file. So press enter and ChatGPT will give me code for creating a BMI weight calculator website. So the code has been completed, and now I'm going to copy the code and I'll be open a notepad. Now paste the code here and save this file as index.html. After that, open the file in browser and you can see BMI calculator has been created. Now put any weight in kg and put your height in centimeter and you can calculate BMI. Your BMI is 27.34 and you are overweight. So this is how you can create a BMI calculator using ChatGPT. It is very simple. Thanks for watching.